start the layout from the center of the room and work outward to ensure even tile alignment across the bathroom floor. Begin by measuring the room width and marking the center line with chalk using a straight edge so your first row is perfectly square to the room. Dry fit a few tiles along that center line to observe how partial tiles will fall at the walls and adjust the center line slightly if necessary to avoid tiny slivers at opposite walls. Use consistent tile spacers between every tile to maintain uniform grout joints, and check the planarity with a 2-foot level after every 2 to 3 tiles, tapping low tiles up with a rubber mallet and a small beading block to avoid cracking the tile. Apply adhesive in small sections with the proper size notch trowel and comb the mortar in straight ridges so each tile bed is consistent and you get full coverage beneath each tile. When setting tiles, press and twist slightly so mortar squeezes out just enough to show contact, but not so much it crowds the joint. Keep a damp sponge and bucket at hand to remove excess mortar quickly and prevent it from hardening on the tile face, which can alter perceived alignment. Common mistakes include starting at a wall, which results in uneven cuts and mismatched joints at the opposite wall. Fix this by re-establishing a center line and dry fitting to distribute cut pieces evenly. Another issue is inconsistent bed thickness from not combing the mortar evenly or changing trowel angle. Resolve this by using the same notch trowel throughout, combing in one direction, and periodically scraping out and reapplying to reset the bed if you detect variation. A third problem is failing to check level as you go, leading to gradual lippage where one edge is higher than the next. Address this by checking with a straight 2-foot level after every few tiles, using a leveling system or tapping with a rubber mallet and beading block until joints are flush. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with a searchable directory so we can find local professionals and so contractors can find work in their service area. We also host a discussion community where we share real-world tips, ask questions, and compare techniques to help everyone improve their tile installations.